what is up, guys? And today I'm going to teach you how you literate. Okay, what's up, guys? And today I'm going to teach you how you literally put these cars. Now, if you're a big New Yorker just like me, what do you sign in? No, I don't want to sign in. So, if you want this, guys, is to 200. We have to get clear. There it is. Yeah, 13 views. Here, let's switch. Why am I not my Joseph Gaming one? Okay. If you want NYP,
Okay,
I'm going
guys.
to teach you how to install NYP cards as well. Those. Kind of cool. This, and then I'm going to teach you how to install New York State vehicles. What you want to do is, if you don't have OpenIV, do like www.open like IV. You also, and then click it, and then you download it right here. I'm gonna put, and then do www.win. So dot WinRoll. Here, www. You don't need buy it. Anyways, go LSPD. And in my YouTube video, guys, I put the car pack, guys. So I'll put this one, and you want to click download on that one. Let me show you. Okay. Open IV, guys, and this is what you want to do. Open Windows. Get WinRAR as well. There you can spell it. Okay. What you want to do is go to this. You install these, okay? What you want to do is go to update x64. And now, let me tell you why you want to do that. Because if you do that right, you gonna then you create mod photo, and then make sure you get the ELS. Also, just create it and put it in. I will show you. Okay, put mod photo in here. Don't know, right click, hit new, photo, mods. If you do not put like, if you do not install these, well, buddy, your GTA 5 is done. You have to reinstall it, like uninstall and reinstall. Even you have a mod folder, still you have to do those three. Go updates, x64, DLC pack. Do patch 20. Just do it. It's better. DLC.fpf. Now you're gonna get this. It's gonna say something, but you want to click here, and you want to say showing a mod photo. If you show it in change a mod photo, that will ruin your game. I don't want to get you game corrupted. x64 levels, GTA 5 vehicles.rpf. Here we are the cars. So you see, I shot some of these cars, but here. So I'm gonna delete What's the car? Temple models. Now rename and hit sheriff. So SHE no caps. You know why, guys? Because if you do this, you don't have to control C, you know. I'll just delete this, please. Continue. If you change it in, if you put this in, you have to delete it and then put these. Now here what's gonna happen, okay? Do not, I repeat, okay, once you put these in, you wanna drag these, not the XML file. It will corrupt your game files. Okay, guys? It will literally corrupt your game files. Okay? Be well, it will corrupt your game files. So I have to, it's so like sad because I literally have to rename everything. And then like it's just let's see that book. No. Here we go. I gotta delete Sheriff 3 because I'm gonna put in Sheriff 1. Actually, just. Delete just a Sheriff. Sheriff and. So you only could have only 2 like sheriff cars, which that's sad because I tried to put it in, it didn't work. So if you really, so what you're gonna do, guys, is just literally put in sheriff. That's it, guys. State that looks cool. Do not worry about the wheels. Just hop in game. See. That is it. So I am gonna install something which on Oh, this is the one I got. Just download it and then put it in. I got something else though. Let me download this file though. Make sure to do the pack roll. Also, we're going to get a NYPD sound pack. Let's see about the NYPD sound pack. Which I am going to install that as well. Make sure you get the emergency line. Make sure you get the emergency line pack if you own LSPDFR. When I just add a card, it's gonna take a long time. Anyways, I got you guys. Make sure if you won't use any call, you must be the police call pack. You could have like freaking 5 calls, guys. Literally 5 calls. 5. I'm telling you, 5 calls, which is unreal. So let me just open here. How you install? Also, that's how you install a sound pack. Go to x64 audio SFR, and that's it. And then replace these file. And that's it. We will change this by FBI 1 because it drives like a SWAT and drives so bad. So these are good. Police 2. Police 3, okay. Police 2, yeah, I have these cars 16 Impala, just love. Oh yeah, also what you could do is you see mods, updates, x64 DLC packs, patch 820, x64 levels, GTA 5. You could, on here, you could go file. Hold on. I forgot, but you could save this file. Let's just go on favorites. Add to favorite, and then this. You could put whatever name, and then you could just tell for copying this in mods photo. So copy mods photo, and then we'll show you in mods photo. So what you're gonna do, I like to just go in mods photo. Patch 821. This is where you get confused. If you go patch 821, it's gonna have a crash to say your car is in a separate file and supposed to be in patch 820 GTA 5. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna delete this. FBI delete to delete FBI 2. Just FBI because I'm gonna change these to just maybe no slash rename the now it's FBI. This is not what it is. Let's hop in. Nope, you cannot hop in yet. What did we just forget, guys? Here and I gotta do this again because I accidentally did something. This is one of my normal day. Now, you guys gonna make a sneak peek of it. What next call actually, no, you guys, because I'm gonna make another video of make another video. Yep, shelf 3, delete, no. No. That's why you cannot change it in the file. That would happen. Okay. Anyways, that's how you do it. Let's see the NYPD sound pack. Now this is going to crash every time because that, happens, but it's just my PC, guys. And when I get upgraded, then I will. It won't. see, guys. Oh. Let's load all plugins. Slow down, give it a second. Okay. Let's see a siren.
Damn.
Just did.
All at the flick of a wrist, I made a motion.
So we got the NYP pack. Spawn, let's see, spawn. Sheriff, let's just... Okay, we spawn sheriff.
Look what you made me
Ow, what the hell? Let me show you what. Okay. We installed it, guys. I still have a siren on New York State. It will be, I like it because the thing is it's New York, so like. So it's kind of fun. You guys want to see NYP EP, which let's force on duty. Force on duty. So there we go. Now you're off duty. Oh no, oh, get on duty. Anyways, that's how you install it, guys. Make sure to like and follow. If this video helped you out, make sure like and subscribe. Make sure also, guys, make sure you
Love your ride, hon.
Make sure you share with this share it with a friend. Spread it out all the road because that's how you this person looks nice. Thanks, guys. Thanks for like literally 30 views on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Anyways, see you guys. Bye. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Bye.